Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Goodyear Credit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate Goodyear Credit Card online, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in this link, or you can simply click this link in the description box below and you'll end up on this page. You can now scroll down and click on register your card button at the bottom left and follow through the on-screen prompts. Enter your card number available on your card in the text box and click the continue button. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and provide the rest of the information. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to activate your new Goodyear credit card by registering at Goodyear Credit Center. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.